So this is 2017 Panini Elite Draft Picks Football. 5 autographs per box, man. 2017. So we're doing 2 random last name letters per spot. I'm taking out all the letters that are not in the break. Includes Q, U, X, and Z. Q, U, X, and Z have been taken out. Every other letter has a card in the break. So good luck on this, guys. We're doing 2 random last name letters per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left, starting from Bob C down to Frankie G. Let's copy all those names. Bring guys on over to random.org and paste everybody in twice. You do get 2 letters per spot. And as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, and final time. Here we go. 9. 9 times. Keith B is up top, and Barry M is down bottom after 9 times. Let's bring it on over to the last name letter spreadsheet. Here we go. We got letter A down to Y. Paste everybody in. Yeah, make those names a little bit bigger for you. All right, there we go. These are your last name letters for the 2017 Elite Football. Thank you guys again for getting in on this, man. I really do appreciate it. And good luck, everyone. All right, 5 autos per box. Here we go. So 5 packs, 5 autos. Any dual cards will get random off between the 2 last name letters. So forget a passing the torch or collegiate connections. All that stuff gets random off between the 2 letters. All right, here we go. Pack number 1. Good luck, guys. Pack 1, here we go. A whole bunch of these. All right, let's go this way first. Damn, they're all backwards. All right, first up is Malik McDowell, letter M. Rookie. Barry M. Joe Mixon, letter M. Going out to Barry M. Mike Williams, W, going out to Keith B. Jonathan Allen, letter A, going out to Keith B. D.D. Westbrook, W, rookie for the Jaguars, going out to W, letter Keith B. Carl Lawson, L, rookie Bob C. And our first autograph, San Francisco 49ers. This one is number 5 of 50. Going out to the letter B. Dustin B. Picking up the letter B. CJ Beathard. Beat Hard, a.k.a. CJ B. Nice rookie autograph. Number 5 of 50. Backup quarterback now for the San Francisco 49ers. So a good start there. That is a purple variation, number 250. CJ Beathard, Beat Hard. However, we call him Beat Hard around here. Good old CJ. Next up is Alma Mater Gronkowski, letter G. And die cut purple for the Giants, letter W, Keith B. There you go, man. Davis Webb, 78 of 99, rookie. Davis Webb for the New York Giants. Die cut. On to the base. Jason Witten, Amari Cooper, Hunter Henry, Troy Aikman, Keenan Allen, and Brett Favre. Pack 2. man. It's all like backwards. Alright, let's just do that. Alright, first up is good old Chris Godwin. That would be Tampa Bay Buccaneers rookie, letter G. So you guys know too, man. See those little white dots, man? I don't know what it is. They pack the stuff with like powder in it. Same with the Panini Prism. Chris Godwin, letter G, going out to Michael Allen. Michael A picking up that Chris Godwin rookie. Tampa Bay he was. And there's a nice one. Letter F going out to Frankie G. Leonard Fournette. Rookie Jacksonville. And Darrell, letter D, going out to Bob C. Darrell, rookie. And another nice one there. Letter M going out to Barry M. Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City Chiefs. He'll be starting this year. Ooh, nice rookie die cut coming up next. Patrick Mahomes. And look at this one. Letter M. Also going out to Barry M. Malik McDowell. Die cut 3 of 10. Gold. Rookie auto. Malik McDowell. Nice, man. Michigan State Spartans. Die cut 3 of 10. Rookie auto. That thing is sweet. Congrats on that, man. There you go, Barry. McDowell, Goldie, 3 of 10. Nice, man. Yeah, a little fairy dust. Emmett Smith and Tim Tebow. So S is Frankie G. T is Pooch 199. College Ties. That one goes to random. And we got another purple here. Number 299. 27 of 99. Dez Bryant. Letter B going out to Dustin B. Dez Bryant. Purple. There he goes. 20. There it is. 27 of 99. Dez Bryant. Purple. Variation. Very nice. And Joe Namath. Melvin Gordon. Eddie Lacy. T.Y. Hilton. Lamar Miller. Carson Wentz. Rookie for the Denver Broncos. Letter B. Jake Butt. Dustin B. Jake Butt, rookie. And James Conner, rookie for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Letter C going out to Keith B. All right, pack number 3. Here we go. Okay. Okay, give that random to Pooch. No problem, man. Got it. All right, here we go. Pack 3. Let's see if we can get a printing plate or something here. All right, first up is letter H, Marlon Humphrey, rookie. Letter H, Alabama rookie, Marlon Humphrey. Dustin B. And rookie for the New York Giants, letter G, going out to Michael Allen. Michael A. picking up that Wayne Gallman, rookie. New York Giants there. Brad Kaya, letter K. That's Detroit Lions. Keith B. And Darius Stewart, rookie. New York Jets, letter S, going out to Frankie G. There you go, Frankie. Jets fan. And we got another purple auto, Michigan State Price. Josiah Price, 80 of 99. So just missed his jersey number, man. Who has P? Frankie G. There you go, Frankie G. You got the die cut purple Josiah Price. Number 299. And we got passing the torch, Melvin Gordon, letter G. And Samaje Perine, letter P. So P and G. Gordon going out to Michael A. P is Frankie G. Another one for the random. Like I said, man, yep, first one you said, go just give it a pooch. All right, Paxton Lynch, letter L, base. Ezekiel Elliott, letter E, base. Todd Gurley, letter G. Dez Bryant, base, B. Sammy Coates, Simi Cobbs, I was about to say. Jameis Winston, W, base. AP, Adrian Peterson, base. And 2 rookies coming up. Cooper Rush, letter R, going out to Dustin B. Draft picks, rookie Cooper Rush. And Dwayne Smoot, letter S, going out to Frankie G. Smoot, rookie. So 2 packs left. 2 autographs coming up. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Okay. That one will go out to Mikey A. Okay. All right, looks like we got another die cut silver coming up. First up is rookie for Eagles. That's my squad right there. Philadelphia Eagles rookie Donald Pumphrey, letter P, going out to Frankie G. Donnell Pumphrey. Desmond King, rookie, letter K, going out to Keith B. Another rookie, Corey Clement, letter C, going out to Keith B as well. And Noah Brown, rookie, letter B, going out to Dustin B. Got a purple, another purple auto. So all of these autographs have been low numbered. This one's 94 of 99. Juan Prince, Pittsburgh Panthers, letter P, going out to Frankie G. There you go, Frankie. 94 of 99. Pitt Panthers, Ewan Price. There you go, Frankie. Another purple auto here. College ties, LaDainian Tomlinson and Andy Dalton. T and D. D is Bob C. T is Pooch 199. Another one for the random. And nice, man. Another purple die cut. T.Y. Hilton. This stuff is full with purples. 97 of 99. T.Y. Hilton. Colts receiver. Hilton H going out to Dustin B. There you go, man. T.Y. Hilton. Purple die cut. Number 97 of 99. Very nice. And we got Andrew Luck. Base, LeGarrette Blount. Dan Marino, Khalil Mack, Brian Bosworth, Matt Forte. And our last 2 rookies in this pack are Chad Kelly, letter K, going out to Keith B. And Justin Davis, pretty sure that's Titans, letter D, going out to Bob C. Justin Davis, rookie from USC. Shout outs to Aldwin. All right, last pack on the Elite 2017. All right, let's hit a monster here, guys. Come on. Let's get a printing plate. Something. Looks like we at least got 1 die cut in there. Hopefully it's the inked up one. Right off of the top here. All right, so I'll start with the rookies. Letter W going out to Keith B. Tim Williams. Tim Williams, a rookie. There he is, Jeremy Sprinkle. Good old Sprinkles. Jeremy Sprinkles, letter S. Going out to Frankie G. Sprinkle. And got Jordan Lewis, letter L, rookie from Michigan, going out to Bob C. Adoree Jackson, another Tennessee Titan there. J going out to Keith B. Dick Trickle. All right. There you go. W. There you go, Keith B. How about this guy? A rookie from Clemson for the Houston Texans, Deshaun Watson. Rookie. That's a nice one. And what is that right behind it? What we got? Twins? Got a variation coming up? What is this? Keith B gets the Watson. Oh, dude, it totally looked like the same. Artavius Scott going out to Frankie G. I thought that was back-to-back Watsons there. Artavius Scott, letter S. And we got a red die cut rookie auto coming up. Who's it going to be? Good luck, guys. Boom. Nasty. That's a nice one. That's a Philadelphia Eagle right there. Sidney Jones, number to 49. J. Going out to Keith B. Rookie wide receiver Sidney Jones for the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles. 12 of 49 on that one. And my bad, did I say? I didn't mean to say wide receiver. Pretty sure he's a cornerback, actually. Sidney Jones, 2 interceptions in the win. Yeah. Corner. Yeah. Corner. Sidney Jones. Very nice letter J. Die cut going out to Keith B. All right, so we got one more passing the torch here. Marshall Faulk, letter F, going out to Frankie G. And another rookie for the Eagles, Donald Pumphrey, letter P, going out to Frankie G. So no need for random on that. That goes straight up to Frankie G. And why not? Another rookie, letter D, going out to Bob C. Another purple. Rookie, 84 of 99. Gerard Davis. Pretty sure he's the first round pick for the Detroit Lions, man. That's a nice one. I think he was like a top 10 pick. Gerard Davis. Purple. All right, and then good old Sheila Manning. M. Terry Bradshaw, Jerry Rice, Clay Matthews, Michael Thomas, and Von Miller base. So, all right. So thanks, man. Yep, Frankie G. I did. Pooch gets the other one on those randoms, and yeah, okay. So we have one random here: Andy Dalton and Tomlinson. T is Pooch. D is Bob C. So we got one college ties random coming up here. We'll start on the left. So we got Tomlinson and Dalton. Letter T and D. Dick Trickle base. Yeah, I got. Yep, one. I got it. Thanks, man. Yep, I put these aside. Mikey Allen gets one on the random. The other one goes to Pooch, and then the college ties is Pooch and that. So, like I said, man, we're going to bring it back over to random.org. Tomlinson is on the left, Dalton on the right. So we'll start with Tomlinson on the left with a T, Dalton on the right. We'll put them in twice, and we'll go 9 times. Whichever letter's on top will get the card. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. There it goes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. 9 times. D is on top. D up top after 9 times. Going out to Andy Dalton, letter D, and Bob C. There you go, Bob C. Getting the LaDainian Tomlinson, Andy Dalton college ties from TCU. Let's go out to Bob C. And then Michael A. and Pooch. You guys got the other dual cards as well. All right. Thank you guys again for getting in on this, man. I really appreciate it. It's Bambino Breaks. I'll put this stuff aside for shipping, and we are on to the next, man. We're out.